All right, so I had a question of how to put a gate latch in here, and I wanted to have as little area between the gate and the wall as possible because of puppies. So the neighbor, Wayne, was over here, and him and I were doing some brainstorming. And between some ideas he had and what I had, I came up with this piece of wire. Actually, it's like a threaded stock without thread and a hole in the gate. And you close the gate and you run the thing through there and can't go, it's shut. And then to open it, you simply open it up, go in. So anyway, thanks to Wayne.